Okay guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft LRV 1.0, which is version 1.0. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So we're in a Land Rover, it's a Land Rover Discovery, and we have the ABS warning fault, stability control, emergency brake, ABS fault, and obviously the dashboard is lit up like a Christmas tree. The LR version 1.0 kit is the perfect kit to diagnose a fault like this. I think in the Land Rover community it's probably referred to as the three AMIGOs, where you've got the traction light, the ABS light and the warning light. This is on here because we've got the parking brake on, so don't worry about that one too much. So with the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, we're going to click into Diagnostics, click into Land Rover, and we're going to go through and select our vehicle, which is a Land Rover Discovery, which is a 2010 model, 3 litre diesel V6. And we're going to select the ABS system. And we're going to click Read Fault Code. So this is giving us a fault code of C003A, and it's a current fault, rear right wheel speed sensor. So we'd previously diagnosed this fault and we knew there was a problem with the rear ABS sensor on the right hand side, which in this case is the driver's side. So we put a new ABS sensor back in there, and we're still getting obviously all of the warning lights and the faults. That's simply because we haven't reset the system yet. So to do that, all we need to do is click on back, click on clear fault memory, and fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure you wish to continue? I'm going to click OK to that. Erasing the fault codes, erase operation done. You'll see though that all of the faults are still on screen. We're still getting the messages. All you need to do in this case is simply turn off the vehicle. So in this case it's a push start. We turn that off. Then we'll start the vehicle again. And you should see all of the warning lights disappear. And that's exactly what's happened. Obviously in this case, as I say, this is because the parking brake is on. And it's all thanks to the iCarsoft LR version 1.0 kit. Now this kit does cover all other systems as well, so it'll cover the engine, the airbags, the transmission, service reset, you name it. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video, but it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope it helps.